Hey there, and welcome back to the BAQE channel. My name is Quinton Croft, founder of BAQE Cosmetics, and this is the recipe card video for your bullet lipsticks, and I can't wait to show them to you. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to do a classic, we're gonna show you how to do a lip contour, we're even gonna show you how to choose the best red for your skin tone. Can we, even with how cute the packaging is for these bullet lipsticks, you have your white little bullet with the rose gold logo, so cute, and then just the perfect little lipstick in there. And this formula is so buttery soft and smells so good. It's infused with shea butter like all of our lip products, so you're going to be able to just get the most luxurious lip ever. Let's go ahead and try our first color on. All right, to prep any lip, even with our bullet lipstick, I highly recommend making sure that your lips are nice and hydrated and free of any dead skin. My absolute favorite thing to hydrate my lips with before any kind of application is actually just some Vaseline. And I like to apply that before I go to bed every night and in the morning after I'm done brushing my teeth. This helps lock all the moisture into my lips, and then I just wipe it off before I apply any lip product. Let's get started. For our first lip, I wanna show you our lipstick with nothing else, nothing underneath, nothing on top, just the bullet lipstick. And for that, we're gonna use the color Malted Milk. This is a nice, warm brown that is subtle enough to wear every day, or if you wanna intensify it, you can. Starting in the center of the lip, and working your way out to the edges. This helps give you a lot of control over where you're placing the color and allows most of the color to concentrate in the center of the lip. Using the tip of the lipstick to line all the way onto that vermilion line. And then I'm gonna mush, because we don't need that much product. And then just finish filling in the top lip. What I love about this color is just how versatile it is. It is beautiful just by itself, goes with about any outfit, and is the perfect brown staple to have in any wardrobe. It's gonna be universally flattering on a lot of skin tones, and you can totally deepen it up with one of our amazing lip liners. What I love is you have this nice creamy dreamy formula, feels buttery soft on the lips, and it's gonna wear really well. All right, now I'm gonna show you how to lip contour. A lip contour is just that. It's gonna make your lips look a little bit fuller, give you a little bit of shadowing around the outer edges of the lips, and that's gonna make the lips pout out a little. It's gonna give you a little plump, a little fake lip injections for you so you don't have to go get those done. Now let me show you how I like to achieve it. I love using lip liner, and specifically warm mocha is your best friend when it comes to any kind of lip contour. Apply your lip liner on that vermilion line. Again, that's that line of demarcation between your lip skin and your skin. Sometimes it's colorless, usually, and it's like a little ridge that wraps all the way around. Starting in the center, using short back and forth strokes. And then coloring in the corners just a little. You can use a lip brush to blend this out a little bit, or just your soft middle finger, because you're gonna apply a nice light touch, and just blend inward so you don't have such a harsh line. Go ahead and do the top, same way, starting in the center and working our way to the outer edge, and then coloring in those corners just a little. Softening it just a little bit so you have a good blend. This color works great with just about any lipstick color. We are now going to go in with the soft ballet pink color, Strawberry Shortcake. This is like the perfect everyday pink, but when paired with warm mocha, is just a little bit more sassy. Look at that. It gives you this nice, really full looking lip without any overlining to the point where it's noticeable. This in person is just as stunning as it is on camera. You aren't gonna look ridiculous, and it photographs incredibly well. This is actually one of my favorite tricks to do for photography. Sometimes features can get lost from far away. When I'm doing makeup photography, or rather makeup for photography, I always make sure to contour the lips just a little bit so that from far away, those lips are still there. And this is a great trick if you even have really thin lips. This is gonna give you a little bit more of a full lip. And it's super easy. Again, a very creamy formula, glides on really smoothly, and it plays incredibly well with the lip liners. Now, does it play well with gloss? It absolutely does. Let me show you what this looks like with a gloss on top. One of my favorite glosses to throw on top of any lip is actually the Naked Cake gloss. This gloss is really, really translucent with a nice fine shimmer in it, and it's gonna look beautiful on top of this. And I'm going to place that just in the center of the lip. And now my pout looks even bigger because we've taken that and the light is shining right there and pouting that out. This is like the ultimate glam lip, perfect lip for any kind of special occasion or just date night. Now, let me wipe this off and show you how to choose the perfect red. Now that I've cleaned my lips off and rehydrated, let me show you the 2 different reds in the Bullet lipstick that are gonna be the ones you're gonna wanna choose from for a classic red for your skin tone. How to find your skin tone. You wanna look at if your skin has a blue undertone, a yellow undertone, or somewhere in the middle. If your skin is blue undertone, you have cool tone skin. If your skin is yellow undertone, you have warm tone skin. If your skin is a little bit above, then you're neutral. I have neutral tone skin. I could go either way with my reds. First we have Maraschino, which is a classic red. This has a slightly cool undertone to it. Then we have Orange Appeal, which is a more warm tone orange red. Do you see this? The difference here? Now, most people are afraid of trying this kind of a color because they're afraid it's going to yellow their teeth because it is a little bit warmer. This has a tendency to make your teeth look a little bit brighter and whiter because of the blue undertone in it. But this right here should be every woman's secret weapon. It's going to wear incredibly well on people with warmer skin tones, but let me show you how much fun it is. So let's start with Orange Appeal and then I'm gonna show you Maraschino. Orange Appeal is just this fiery hot red. I love a good red orange. And I am just gonna go in right by itself, again in the center. Go out to the edge. Look at how stunning that is. Can you even with how gorgeous this warm orangey red is? It is so beautiful. Now, because I have neutral, both of these tones are going to pull the different tones out of my skin. This is playing so well with the warm tones in my skin and warms and brightens my whole face. If you wanna add a little something something to your routine, grab Orange Appeal. You're gonna feel spicy, you're gonna feel so confident, and it's definitely gonna brighten up any face. Let's go in with Maraschino. Again, this is that nice classic cool tone red. It's very like Snow White vibes. You'll notice instantly that my teeth look whiter. You'll also notice that it brings out the cool tones in my skin. You'll notice instantly just how Hollywood starlit this looks. A classic blue tone red is going to make anyone just look so glamorous. It's just going to make your eyes sparkle. It's just gonna make you look stunning. You can't go wrong with either red choice. It just depends on if you want that cool tone or that warm tone. I like to have both in my makeup bag, but it is me. If it were me, I would base this off of what other colors I'm wearing and the eye makeup that I've done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting BAQE. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a follow on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and join our mailing list. Thank you, have a wonderful day, stay fierce. We'll see you later.